Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change your phone number on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or that you have the version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything that you need. So of course, make sure as well that that Revolut is actually available in your country so that you will be able to proceed to the next step. So after logging into your Revolut app or website, you will have to tap the profile icon and then you will click settings and then go ahead to personal details and click phone number. Then you will tap change number and enter your new phone number. After you enter your phone number, you will just have to verify it with SMS code and then you will tap confirm and then that number is now updated. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.